Good morning, students. We welcome you to the online class from Jairam Higher Secondary School, and the subject is Physical Science for class 6th. In that first unit measurement, in our measurement, so far we have learned what is measurement, what are all the systems, 3 systems we have followed, right? And based on that, what are all the instruments are there, that is measuring tools we have. With the help of that measuring tools, we will be able to measure all the materials, right? With the help of the measuring tool, we will able to measure what few materials, what are all the materials around us. Say for example, if I need to measure my cloth, I need to use what? Tape, not balance. That balance will be used for what? Measuring mass. So similarly, based on the material, that is, we have different tools. Clear? So all these topic we have discussed so far, and after that we have solved few problems based on the example which is given in your book, as well as the exercise problem. Right now I want make you to be confident as well as clear in measures of length, because when you are submitting your homeworks, I found that you are not so far strong in the measures of length. That is, while solving the conversion, uh, while correcting your papers, homework papers, not everybody you have submitted. I want to tell you that thing as well. See, it is the situation makes us to be at home. In such a case, we are doing all these online classes, we make you to do the whole homeworks cycle wise, we are sending the homeworks through Navaskip, all this only because of your future. Because you should not, while you are being at home, you should not feel that you are far away from the studies. You should be always touching your studies. Okay, so develop all your knowledge, okay, intellectual activities. That is why in first unit still we completed our unit. So far I didn't enter into the next unit. I gave you a lot of activities based on that, right? And we completed our sums example exercise which is given in your book, but I want to make you to be strong while solving all the conversions. You should not get hesitate, or you should not be back, and you have to be very confident and good in solving all the conversions, mainly conversions. Because if you have learned all this in your 6th standard, you will be while you are solving some, you will be very good. Okay, you don't get time for thinking all that. That is why I'm giving this measures of length. Once again, I'm teaching you. Okay, and in this, what are we going to do? Measures of length. Once again, the basic conversion table. What is the basic conversion table? First you have to be thorough with this 3 thing. 10 millimeter, because often you will be using this only, right? In word problems, in conversions, maximum measures of length, based on this only the question will be asked. Okay, when you go to the higher classes, you have a lot of conversions with the simple way. 10 centimeter if they gave, you should convert that into meter or kilometer. In that during that time, you should not get confusion. Oh, how do we convert? Because in this is a class, is the right time to learn all this. This is a basic. Okay, so be strong in that. Fine. Okay, before solving the sum, as how you are memorizing and being thorough in your formula, similar way that you will be followed in mathematics, right? As physics also, while you are solving some, we have few steps, that formula based on the concept oriented, you will be following the formula. But in measures, it is a basic conversion table. So first you have to memorize this conversion. Without knowing this, you couldn't solve the sum. Okay, so I need you to be thorough in this 3, at least these 3. Lot of there, but often in this chapter you are going to use what? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, centimeter, kilometer. These are all the things you are going to use. Okay, fine. Shall we start? Okay, 10 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, how many millimeters are there? 10 millimeter. Clear? Yes. Once again, you just say with me. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Once again, 10 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. Very good, ma. Next, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. If 5 meter is given, convert that into centimeter. What will you do? You should multiply with what? 5 into 100. Then you'll get 500 centimeter. In 5 meter, how many centimeters are there? 500. So these are all the things you have to memorize. Unless you are knowing the table, this basic conversion table, sure you how could say sure you will be getting slow while solving some. Okay, you can't do fastly. Clear? You may be thorough with the concept, but while solving numerical problems, unless until you are memorizing all this basic conversion table, sure you need lot of practice. Okay, that is why the same problems, that is measures of length, based on this, some other values with the other numerical value we are going to solve. Okay, so okay, next thing, I hope you memorized this one. 1 meter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there, ma? 100 centimeter. Okay, next, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Is it clear? Shall we start to solve the sums? Okay, we shall continue the class. See, for converting, how the easiest way, what we need to use is lookup diagram. This is what lookup diagram. I want to show you this because you are just getting confusion, right? Why you are getting this confusion is when all the conversions comes like kilometer to one, you have to see the two things. Keep this in your mind. Either the conversion is from big quantity to small quantity or small quantity to big quantity. If you know these two things and how to convert that, we have an easiest way to convert. We need to follow the lookup diagram. If you are thorough with this lookup diagram, first one thing, you should be thorough with the formula which I have shown you right now. What that basic conversion table, right? And after being thorough in that, you should know the lookup diagram, which is the easiest way. How, ma'am? How could we memorize this? Very easy, I'll tell you. For that only I said, no, two things, shortcuts you have to keep it in your mind. See the question. In the question, the quantity is given what? Either big quantity, only two things will be there. Big quantity to small quantity, small quantity to, see, big quantity to small quantity, small quantity to big quantity. These two things, be thorough. You should only check these two things, okay? After checking the question, if the question is big quantity to small quantity, say for example, kilometer is a big quantity, compare with meter. In such a case, if the question is asked, convert 4 kilometer to meter, see the lookup diagram, kilometer is a big quantity and the meter is what? Small quantity. Big quantity to small quantity. In such a case, you need to multiply. Once again, in the question is asked from the that is greater number. How to say numerical value? Numerical value alone you should not. It's mainly the unit. Unit is what? Kilometer, meter. That thing you have to check. If the question is given, convert kilometer to meter. Kilometer is a big quantity, compare with a meter. In such a case, when the question is mentioned, you have to convert big quantity to small quantity. Sure, you need to multiply. Similarly, here see meter and the centimeter, right? Here also compare with meter. Centimeter is the lowest quantity. Okay, meter is what? A big quantity. In that case, again, what do you have to do? Multiply. Centimeter to millimeter. You have to convert centimeter to what? Millimeter. Big quantity to low quantity, lower quantity. Small quantity. Multiply. This is one thing. One step you have to follow. In easiest way. Okay. This is one shortcut. Next, another one. Second step. What is the next step? Big to small means you have to multiply. If the quantity is small to big, say for example meter is given, you have to convert that into kilometer. What you have to do? Divide. Big to small, multiplication. Small quantity to big quantity, division with the same value. Because in conversion 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? 1000 meters. Only we can use the same numerical value. We can't change. What is the thing is getting changed here? You have to keep it that in your mind. Multiplication and division step is getting changed. Once again, I repeat, which is getting changed here? If quantity is big to small, multiplication. If the quantity is small to big, absolutely it is division. You be confident and thorough in this. If you thorough with the lookup diagram, this what I said, lookup diagram. Thorough with the lookup diagram as well as the basic conversion table, sure, you'll be strong in what? You'll be strong in the conversion table, mainly the convert following sums. While solving the numerical problems, you won't be back, and you won't take a lot of time. You doesn't have doubt as well. You don't have doubt. You'll be doing as such. Clear? Yes, ma. See here in this page, few examples also given. As I told you, 5 kilometer. Kilometer is what? Big quantity. Meter is what? Small quantity. Need to what? Multiply. In such a case, 5 into 1000. 5000 meter. Okay. Say similar way, 120 centimeter is given. Centimeter, that you have to convert into what? Meter. See, arrow is given, right? Centimeter to meter. Small quantity to big quantity. In such a case, what we have to do? I hope you are ready to say the answer. What we have to do? If there is small quantity to, if we have to convert small quantity to big quantity, what we need to do? Very good. Divide. Division. What we have to do? Divide. We should divide this 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter by what? 120 divide by what? 100. When we divide this 120 by 100, what we got? 1.2 meter. Very good. Now, these are all the few. After looking to the lookup diagram, instantly you have to get how to do that. For that case, I gave these. Now, we shall start to solve the problems. Okay. Now, we are going to solve the problem. Right. For that, first, in numerical problem, convert the following into what? Centimeters. We are converting. The question is given in meter. We should convert this into centimeter. Okay. See, in bracket I have wrote hint. I gave you hint. What is that? While solving the problem in question paper or in questions, they won't give this. For your clearance, because you have to be clear what steps has to be followed, right? For that case, I gave you here hint, because right now we are practicing. Fine. Make sure in this, if the conversion is from meter to centimeter is what? Meter is a big quantity, centimeter is a small quantity. In such a case, what we need to do? Multiply. The same is given in, I gave as a hint for you. To convert meter into centimeter, because question is given in meter, you have to convert that into what? Centimeter. In such a case, you supposed to multiply by what? 100. Multiply by 100. When we multiply, we shall continue the sums. Solution. Question is given as how much? In question, 4 meter is the question. Okay. In question, the value is given how? What? 4 meter. Okay. How you should convert this 4 meter? First step, 4 meter to centimeter, we need to multiply what? 100. Okay, 100 multiplication. Shall we multiply this with 100? 4 into 100. 0 into 4 is 0. Again 0, 4, 0. 1 4s are 4. What is the answer? 400. 400. While writing the final answer, what unit you need to write? In the question, they gave the conversion in which you have to finally convert this into meter into what? Centimeter. In such a case, when we are writing the final answer, the same, which unit are they asked us to convert, the same unit we need to follow. They ask us to convert in what? Centimeter. In such a case, we need to write the final answer in what? Centimeter. Is that clear, ma? First, what is the question? See the unit, either big quantity to small quantity or small quantity to big quantity. First, we have to check that. In the question, they have given we should convert into what? Big quantity to small quantity. When we convert big to small, we need to multiply. In such a case, multiplication 4 into, with what we need to multiply? 100, because meter to centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? I hope you remember. Just now, you have come across all the formula. I make you to be thorough in that formula as well. Is anyone got the answer? I hope you found. You shall check, I'll tell you. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. Very good. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? Okay. I'll repeat the steps once again. What in question asked? Convert following into centimeter, right? In the question, they have given meter. We need to convert that into centimeter. That is big quantity to small quantity. Means what we need to do? We need to multiply. With what? 100. When we multiply this, because meter to centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. In such a case, we need to multiply this with what? 100. When we multiply, the value is given in question is 4 meter. When we multiply this 4 into 100, see the steps for multiplication. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 ones are 4. So finally, what the answer we received? 400 centimeter. I hope this first sum is clear for you. Okay, now second sum, second question. What is the question is given? 10 meter. Okay, we need to convert this 10 meter into what? Centimeter. First step, what we need to do in previous sum, same method we need to follow. 10 into 100. Now we are going to multiply this 10 into what? 100. Okay. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Again. I'll repeat the step once again. First, what we need to do? In question, 10 meter is given. 10 into 100. Okay. Next, we are going to multiply this 10 with what? 100. Okay. First, in multiplication, first step, what we did? We multiplied this 0 with the 2 digit. 0 into 0 is 0. Again, 0 into 1 is 0. Clear? Next, what we need to do? This second 0 is there, no? With that, we are going to multiply this two digits. 10, again, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Now, with the help of 1, we are going to multiply this two numbers. 1 into 0 is 0 and 1 ones are 1. Now, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1. Clear? So what is the answer? When we multiply 10 into 100, we received what? 1000. So what is the answer we received here? During multiplication, 1000. So final answer is 1000 centimeter. In 10 meter, how many centimeters are there? 1000 centimeter. In 10 meter, how many centimeters are there? 1000 centimeter. Very good. Now, third sum. Same steps we need to follow. First, we need to write what? 15 into 100. After that, we supposed to multiply this 15 with 100. Okay, shall we do the multiplication steps? Okay, same steps. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 5 again 0. 0, 1, 0. Now 1 into 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 1. So what is the final answer we received? 1500 centimeter. In 15 meter, how many centimeters are there? 1500 centimeter. Meter is a big quantity. Centimeter is a small quantity. What step we need to do? We need to multiply. We need to multiply with what? 100. Because in 1 meter, 100 centimeters are there. In such a case, when we have followed all the steps with the help of the lookup diagram. Okay, I hope all these three problems make you more understand, make you to get more understand. I hope you understand. Okay, and easy, you feel easy. This is what you just try at your home. Okay, I'll solve few more problems for your clearance. Okay, we'll continue the next sum. Question is given what? 1 meter. 1 into 100. 1 into 100. We are going to multiply this with what? 100. 1 into 100. 0 into 1 into 0, 0. Again, that is 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. And 1 ones are 1. So when we multiply 1 with anything, we'll got the same number, right? In such a case, 1 into 100 is 100 centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. Is it clear? Fine. Next sum. 5 meter is given. We need to convert this 5 meter into centimeter. Okay. Same step. I hope you remember all that. I'm thinking you have started to solve with me, right? Okay. 5 into what? 100. Now we have to multiply this 5 into 100. Okay. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 5 is again 0. And 5 ones are 1 5s are 5. So what is the answer we received? 500 centimeter. Very good. 500 centimeter. That is, in 5 meter, how many centimeters are there? 500 centimeter. Okay, ma. Very good. Okay. Based on this conversion, so far I've solved 5 problems. Okay. I hope you clear with the steps. Here, now we are going to see the homework problem. See, in homework problem, 3 meter, I gave you 4 homework problems for you. Okay, with the same steps. What you have solved so far, with the same step to be followed in this problem as well. Okay, 3 meter, you need to convert that into centimeter. When you are converting, what we need to do, we have to multiple. You have to multiple 3 into 100. You will receive the answer. Similarly, based on the same steps, here I gave you 4 problems. I hope you clear with the steps as well as the converting length units lookup diagram. Okay, you just follow these steps and solve the homework problems. Based on this conversion meter into centimeter, I hope these sums are okay for you. We shall continue with the next conversions. Okay. In our first conversion, we convert meter into centimeter, right? Here also the same conversion process, but in this steps, in this problem, few steps is getting changed a little bit. What I'll tell you, in hint I have mentioned that. Here, meter, centimeter, separately they have been given. You should convert entire value as centimeter. Clear what I said? 3 meter, see in question, 3 meter, 55 centimeter. Completely you have to convert entire value into centimeter. But here, the 3 is given in which unit? Meter. So first you have to do what? First you have to convert this meter into centimeter. Then given centimeter is there now, that you need to add. How do we convert this meter into centimeter? In our previous sum we solved, we have to multiply, that is big quantity to small quantity. In such a case we need to multiply this with what? 100. Same method, but here few steps is getting changed. I'll tell you. First, what you have to follow, this meter into centimeter you have to convert. 3 into 100 centimeter plus the given value. First, what I did, meter is converted into centimeter. Meter, 3 is given in meter. I wrote in what? Conversion manner. I converted this in centimeter. To convert into centimeter, what I need to do? We need to multiply with 100. So I wrote as what? 3 into 100 centimeter plus 55 centimeters given, right? I need to add, and then given centimeter is added to it, isn't it? So in such a case, we have to write this Next 55 centimeter in what? Addition. Again, now next step 3 into 100. Now 3 into 100. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into 3 again 0. 3 ones are 3, right? 1 threes are 3. We say. So the answer 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. Is it clear? 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. Now I am going to add this 300 plus 55. First we need to multiply. When we need to convert this meter entire value into centimeter, the left hand side one is given in meter, that we need to multiply with 100. That is, we need to convert this into centimeter. For that case we need to multiply with 100. So when we multiply this, we got 300 centimeter, and then after multiplication we need to add the right side given value. The right side given value is what? 55, right? Now I am going to add this 55 as such 3. So the answer is finally what we received, 355 centimeter. And this is also in conversion. This is also one type of conversion. The value will be individually they have given like meter and centimeter. Entire in a single unit we need to convert either in meter or we need to convert into centimeter. This is also one type of conversions. Okay. Next ma, and this is the final answer. I'll repeat the steps once again. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat the steps. What we need to do here in second Roman, we are just converting the following into completely centimeter, right? Here the question is given as what? Meter as well as centimeter. We want to convert the entire value into a single unit, which is centimeter. Clear? In such a case, in hint I have mentioned you that first what we need to do, the value which is given in meter, that should be converted into centimeter. For that, you know the conversion of millimeter to centimeter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter, isn't it? First, we need to write in what? 3 into 100 centimeter plus the right hand side value is given, right? That should be written in what? Additions process. Okay, first in hint C again, look it carefully. Meters should be converted into centimeter. This is first step. And then we should add the given right hand side value which is in centimeter. That should be added to it. After multiplying this 3 into 100, what we received 300. That is 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. When we add this, we will get the value as what? 355 centimeter. So in 3 meter and 55 centimeter, how many? If we convert this into entire centimeter, these are all the steps has to be followed. Is it clear? I hope twice and thrice I have explained this sum. Shall we get into the next sum? Okay, now second sum. See, in second sum, the question is given as what? 17 meter 8 centimeter, isn't it? In 17 meter 8 centimeter, the first sum, what are the steps we followed the same way? First, we need to write the meter into what? Centimeter. That is, we need to convert the meter into centimeter. This is our first step. What I have written here? 17 into 100 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Clear? Now I am going to multiply the 17 into 100. Okay, first step. 0 into 7 is 0. Again, 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 7 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Now 1 7s are 7 and 1 1s are 1. So we got what are the value we got is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 1. So the answer what we received is 1700, isn't it? 1700 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 1700 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Now what we need to do? Now we are going to add this 8 with the 1700. When we add, what we get? 8 as such, 0, 7 and 1. So finally the answer is 1708 centimeter. That is 1708 centimeter. Is it clear? 1000, what is the final answer we received? 1708 centimeter. Clear? 1708 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, now we are getting to the we're going to solve the next sum, that is third sum. Okay, in this sum the question is given what? 6 meter and 67 centimeter. Is it clear? 6 meter and 67 centimeter. Here what the first step we need to follow? First we need to multiply, that is we need to convert meter into centimeter. For that we need to multiply the 6 into 100, right? Plus 67 centimeter. This is what a question is given, right? Now I'm going to multiply the 6 into 100. What I'll get? 600, isn't it? 6 into 100, 600. Now 600 centimeter plus 67 centimeter. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to add this 67 with what? 600. 7 as such, 6 and 6. So what is the answer? 6. Okay, after multiplying 6 into 100, what we received? 600. And after this we need to add this 67 with what? 600. When we add 600 with 67, what we received? 667 centimeter. Is it clear? 600, and what is our final answer? 667 centimeter. 667 centimeter. Okay, I hope you clear. Now I'm going to give you the homework sums. Okay, we have completed 2 way of conversions, right? With the model, first conversion, directly we need to convert meter into centimeter. Based on that I gave you few problem, right? Now with this, here in this model, meter as well as centimeter value both will be given. You need to convert entire numerical value into a single unit, which is centimeter, right? Based on this conversion I gave you few problems. That is a homework problem. You can please note it down, or else you can take a screenshot, or in which way you can note it down. These are all the homework sums. Okay, you need to solve these homework sums. Practice at the home. That is why I'm giving you all these sums. Apart from that, if you have other problems also, if you have any numbers, if you having any numbers to be solved, you can also do that by changing the numerical value. You can do it. Okay, fine. I hope you understand up to what I've thought by today, right? In next week session, the same converting length units we'll solve. We'll go with the lookup diagram, as well as based on the kilometer and meter. That is in here in this session I've taught you about only the meter to centimeter, as well as now in next session I'll teach you the kilometer to meter, and the same different another way of conversions, like how we solve for meter to entire unit, isn't it? Same kilometer and as well as millimeter. For that I'll make you to get clearance, and we'll practice for that session as well. Okay, in that session I'll give you a lot of practices. By doing all this, why I'm taking a lot of time for completing all these conversions, we make you to be thorough in the concept, right? Should be clear, and you should not get hesitate, as well as you should not feel afraid to solve it. The conversion, you have to be clear. Okay, I hope you understand what I so far have thought. Okay, finally we came to the end of the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.